Ginette Serrero. I'm the CEO of A&G Pharmaceutical.
I'm Michael Keefe. I'm the Chief Operating Officer for A&G Pharmaceutical.
I'm Jun Hayashi. I'm the VP of Precision Antibody, which is the service division of A&G Pharmaceutical.
We are developing a diagnostic and a therapeutic product for cancer, particularly breast and lung cancer, based on a molecule called GP88, which is a driver of the aggressiveness of cancer that we discovered. And we have developing two diagnostic product, a tissue test and a blood test. And the MIPS was absolutely instrumental for us to push forward through the clinical studies the diagnostic serum test. The MIPS allowed us to launch a study with Dr. Tachuk at the University of Maryland Cancer Center. And that also was a seed for us to develop a larger study with the Avon Foundation. So the $100,000 from the MIPS became $1 million through the Avon Foundation, and also a commercialization grant through the state of Maryland. What the test is doing is to actually monitor breast cancer patients to determine if they are responding to their therapy or if their disease is progressing. So that has allowed us to develop a very simple test, a blood test. So they give a little bit of blood, and we are measuring the level of the GP88 in the laboratory by a test which is being conducted here in this laboratory, and eventually will be done in a CLIA, in a very specific laboratory which is called the CLIA lab that the state of Maryland has helped us build through a commercialization grant. The test is based on antibodies which were developed through the precision antibody platform that June has developed, and is also a very inherent part of the A&G Pharmaceutical company in bringing revenue to the company through that platform. And maybe June can talk about it.
So at Precision Antibody, this is the service division of A&G Pharmaceutical, as Ginette described. We are specializing making antibodies in about 40 days. We are really have the cutting edge technology in servicing NIH and government agencies making antibodies against infectious agents, as well as cancer biomarker, and also helping large pharmaceutical companies in United States and also abroad. With our technology, we're helping develop diagnostic and therapeutic antibodies for other companies, and we believe that we are one of the top leading company producing monoclonal antibodies in the world. And as you can see, A&G, A stands for antibody, G stands for growth factor, and GP88 is a growth factor, and then we produce those therapeutic antibodies and diagnostic antibodies for A&G Pharmaceutical.
So A&G was founded in 2000. We've been around for 12 years, and we've been focused solely on getting GP88 onto the market. Ginette's team has been working on diagnostic and therapeutic products for GP88, and the MIPS program has been instrumental on the GP88 blood test, and it's helped the company tremendously.
Yeah, actually I would like to make comments on the Maryland Israel Partnership Program, because I can see it on both sides. I am actually a former professor at the University of Maryland before I started the company, so I can see the benefits and the strength of having companies, Maryland companies, working with faculty at the University of Maryland. Can be any of the campuses. In the case of our particular MIPS program was with the University of Maryland, Baltimore, where I'm still an adjunct professor, by the way. I'm very proud of saying that and very happy about it. And it's really building up on two strengths. One is ideas that are developed at the companies, or can be ideas developed at the university, which are then being fructified, if I may say, in the company. So the MIPS program is very useful, very powerful, I would say, into getting it to the next level. As I mentioned earlier, in our case, has been getting it to the next level of getting more money. And so the MIPS program is something which is very important, has to be continued, has to be grown, absolutely, because the number of technologies being developed in Maryland is growing. The number of companies that are being launched is growing, and so therefore the program has to grow to be able to get it functioning and blossoming the way it should be, because it works. And the MedTech program, and Martha Connolly, who is the director of the program, has been very, very successful into getting this program to the next level, and so it should receive the support that it merits. Martha actually got me into the MIPS, and now she's getting me into the back cancer series. So everybody should go and support the MIPS by supporting the back cancer series. I'm pretty sure Martha, who is the president of the board of the BCS, would love that. So hi, Martha.